Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Manas, a Pursuit of Happiness, and this is your Dr. Chitra Arvind. So today I've come up with a very interesting topic, especially for youngsters, that is breakup. How you are actually experiencing this breakup in your personal life. So in this decade especially, most of the youngsters are into love and all that, and obviously more than 80% of them would have gone through this difficult phase in their life, that is breakups, and it's very common term which we could hear from our 2K kids as well as our 90 kids as well. So, but then a lot of memes are talking about breakups in a more funny way, and a lot of soup songs are there in our mass media also. But having considered all this, definitely breakup is a more harrowing experience, I should say. The truth is, it's a very painful and harrowing experience for both boys and girls who are going through this very difficult phase in their life. So we'll be talking more on this topic and how this is differently experienced by girls and boys, and who finds it more difficult. So a lot of such interesting facts we are going to discuss in this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So usually what they say is, whether is it going to be more difficult for a girl or a boy, generally people have this idea that girls feel very difficult, after a breakup. But the fact says that boys actually find it more difficult, and they take quite a long time to get over this breakup compared to girls. Isn't it surprising? But that's a fact also. Most of the researchers, they found it this way. But then actually, is it visible? Is it observable? The answer is no. So we have to look into the thing very closely, why it is happening and all that. So when it comes to girls and boys, definitely it is a major loss for a girl. Because taking into the evolution, taking into the sense of this evolution and about this mating, and for a girl it is costing more, because it's like the 10 months of pregnancy and lactation and all that makes a girl even more careful before making a right choice about her mate. And when this breaks up, definitely it's like the end of the world for her, and it is very painful for a girl, that we can agree. But then how about boys? Generally, we see that after the breakup, when you look into the Insta post or the FB post, they would immediately change the relationship status to single, and having more new posts with never seen girls before, and all of partying pics and all that. And generally girls would be feeling very bad. I'm thinking each and every moment of what I have, where I've gone wrong, what mistake I've made. But this guy, my ex, is actually very happily giving pictures, with happy faces and all smiles on his face. How is it even possible for him to do that? So most of the time we get into this kind of talks, and it happens the other way also, but generally this happens. So when you look deep, actually the thing is, boys do not express their emotions, but they go through a lot, and probably they don't even acknowledge, or they don't even tell others, and also even their own experience, they don't feel it. But the truth is, for them, the memories are going to remain for longer time compared to women. So what a woman does is, generally she becomes so depressed, she talks about it, about a lot of things, and she talks about, generally it becomes like, blaming another person. Probably he's not the right person, and this would have happened, that would have happened, and she'll go for more of affiliation and relationship, and more of expressing her emotions. In that way, girls can come out of the breakups more easily, and they'll be more accepting also of their mistakes at the end of it, and say, probably I should have communicated more, and this quality I can think about changing in future. So this is now going to deal with her emotions in a right way, and she can be looking for more healthy relationships in future. But when it comes to boys, the thing is, they are never going to accept their emotion, because it's a personal insult for them. Loss of sense of self, and it's a major rejection in their lives, and they compare it with not a loss of relationship they're going to mourn, but it's like the lack of accomplishment. I have not accomplished this. So it's like a personal sense of failure. They're going to take it so personally, and the ego is very hurt, and they feel the sense of insult. All these difficult feelings they do feel, but then they are not able to acknowledge and accept it, because it's too painful for them. So they suppress it, and they act as if nothing has happened, and they hide their emotions by acting more strong and more happy. So this is very dangerous. So what happens to most of the boys is, they get diverted, and their entire personality and their attitude, everything changes. And most of the boys, I think you could relate with me. What happens is, after this breakup, they take it so personally, and they lose this trust with the girls, and they start developing a negative attitude towards girls. And from then on, they'll have this major fear of intimacy. Even with another girl, if they are going to, talk to or have any relationship with, they have this sense of insecurity in that relationship as well. When a girl asks for more intimacy or more emotional, sharing, he feels more insecure. And he'll want to, detach from that relationship. This shows that he's been deeply hurt. And also some boys resort to a lot of other destructive behaviors as well, like, drinking or, taking more drugs and distracting themselves. So, and also they try to numb these emotions by these things, and they also tend to talk very less to their friends because they feel, very shameful and embarrassed, and the kind of story they tell about the breakup is completely different as well. So a girl can talk about genuinely like what has happened after the breakup, but then on the other hand, boys do not tell the story. They can tell it in a more twisted way. They say that it's a mutual thing and we decided to break up. Maybe it is like a harsh no by the girl, but then they put it in a different way. So this all shows that they are not willing or ready to accept this rejection. They take it too personally. And also emotionally they are so hurt, and the routines go for a topsy-turvy, and they no longer follow that healthy routine which they've been following. Probably a guy who's been going to gym or sleeping on time, everything goes for a change because they're not able to accept this pain anymore. And one more thing also, when they go out with friends also, and they begin to detach from them, and easily friends can figure it out, but then they don't open up, they don't share about their emotions, and they keep that real feelings to themselves because they, again, as I said earlier, they feel it is an insult. So when these kind of feelings grow more into a boy, and he starts to value these kind of emotions and deep bury these emotions, so that he feels like fake it and till you make it. So he starts looking for new relationships or start looking for new career or indulge himself into something new in his life so that he can forget this particular episode in his life. But then just forgetting and just going ahead with that episode is not going to treat your emotions. You need to attend to it. But then it's going to cause a lot of other drawbacks also. Otherwise, what some guys do they start developing this, as I told earlier, about the negative attitude towards girls, and they start to become like one. They start to behave more flirtish with another girls in future also to sabotage a girl. It's like a kind of revenge they want to do to the girls out there. So all these things, boys may not be aware of it because they may not know what this breakup has done to them. So many times, like when you're in your 18, 19, 20s, early 20s, you all might have gone through a breakup, and from then on your entire personality and your attitude towards girls, attitude towards relationship, towards intimacy, all would have got redefined and mostly defined in a wrong way. And this can be a very bad sign for your future married life as well. So you may begin to distrust women and begin to distrust any person for that matter, and detach from them, and not really opening your real inner emotions and all that stuff. But you need to come into terms with all these things, otherwise it's going to sabotage your future relationships and also your entire personality. So it's high time that we need to halt for a moment and see, are you in connection with your original self, or it has changed you completely for a not in a right way, obviously in a wrong way. So self-compassion is very, very important here for boys to understand and reconnect with themselves and let go of it and not take it so personally. Probably it can be about the other person also, because generally boys tend to blame themselves for the breakup and not the girls involved. So because of all these gender differences which brings in this particular gamut of breakup, because of whatever reasons, because of evolution or biology or genetics or whatever reasons, or the culture, the very culture which says the boys should not cry and should not express their emotions because it shows a sign of weakness, these boys try to conceal it, and most of the boys also become more aggressive and get into a lot of fights in future, or they get into rough and tough relationship with people around them. So you could have seen this kind of phenomena happening in our recent movies as well. But then high time that you need to introspect within yourself and see what kind of person you were before this breakup and what kind of person it has made you after this. And if it has definitely made you a bad person, for that matter, high time you need to look into it and correct yourself. And high time you need to reconnect with your original beautiful self. So I'll tell about how to manage this breakup for both girls and boys. This episode I've talked more about the psychological effects of breakup on boys compared to girls, and then how they are not coping it in a right fashion. So in the next video I'm going to give you a lot of tips about how to come out of breakup and how to make yourself ready for another fresh relationship in a more healthy fashion. So let's catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.